Now, on this machine, not on this machine, but on this motherboard here, it has the system panel header, which is a 9-pin, which I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pins and 1 empty. So it says the PLED positive is on this side, and the HD LED is on this side, and the PLED negative is on the same side, number 2. And this one right here is a hard drive LED. And on this pin, this number 3 here, it says it is power BTN. Okay, and then on the opposite side, it is a ground. Then on this last pin, it says it's a ground. And on this pin is a reset. All right. Now over here it has a SATA. This one says SATA 4 and this one says SATA 5. And there is a fan 3 right here, and here's another fan port. 1, 2, 3, 4 pins. 1, 2, 3, 4 pins here. This is a USB 3 right here. Let me see how many pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's around 19 pins because this last one is blank. So it's 19 pins. You got a USB 3 right here also. And there is another hold on. Let me see. USB. And this right here is a TPMS1. Let me see what that is.